In this video, I will explain the laws of indices. The first example, I have 3 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2. I will split the 3 to the power of 4 into factors. You can split it into 3 multiplied by itself 4 times. And the 3 power of 2, you can split it into 3 multiplied by itself 2 times. So here I have 3 multiplied by itself 6 times. Together, you can write it in the form of indices again as 3 power of 6. So here what I actually did, I added the 2 powers, 4 and 2, to get the answer as 3 power of 6. If I have a variable, you will do the same and no need to split, just for explanation. You will just write the same base x and add the 2 powers 4 and 2. You will get the answer directly. For the second example, I have division. It's 5 to the power of 7 over or divided by 5 power of 3. So here I will split the 5 to the power of 7 into 7 fives, and I'll split the 5 power of 3 in the denominator to 5 times 5 times 5. And then I can cross out the common factors between the numerator and the denominator. So 5, you can cross it with 5, a second 5 with a second 5, a third 5 with a third 5. Then you will have only remaining 4 fives. Write them in index notation another time. You will get 5 to the power of 4. So here what I did actually is I subtracted the 2 powers 7 minus 3. In division, I write the same base and subtract the powers. If you have a variable, you will do it the same, but no need to split the factors like this. And the answer will be only the same base, y, and subtracting 7 minus 3 is 4, and that's simply the answer. The last example, I have something called power of power. This is 7 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 4. So let's do it, split it, and do it step by step. 7 power of 2 repeated, that means to the power of 4 repeated or multiplied by itself 4 times, like this. And then I can split the 7 power to each 7 to the power of 2. You can split it into 7 times 7, like this. This is 7 power 2, 7 power 2, 7 power 2, 7 power 2. So here I have 7 multiplied by itself 8 times. If you want to write it in index notation, you will write it as 7 to the power of 8. So here what I did is I multiplied the 2 times 4. I multiplied the 2 powers by each other to get the answer. And this is called the power of power. To summarize the laws of indices, we will write the laws like this: x to the power of n times x to the power of n. Same base, I write the same base. I just add the 2 powers if it's multiplication. In division, I will write the same base and subtract the numerator power minus the denominator power. In power of power, you will just multiply the 2 powers m and n to get the answer.